In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zoho CRM with Google Drive. To get started, open your Zoho CRM account and make sure you're logged in. Once you're on the main dashboard, take a moment to confirm that you're in the correct workspace, because the integration will be connected to the CRM environment you're currently using. This helps avoid confusion later, especially if you manage more than one account or organization. Next up, go to the Setup area. In Zoho CRM, this is where you'll find most of the configuration options for apps, tools, and system features. After opening Setup, look for the Marketplace section, and then click All. This area shows the extensions and integrations that can be added to your CRM to expand its functionality. Once you're in the Marketplace, find the search bar and type in Google Drive. Be sure to enter the name carefully so the correct integration appears in the results. When you see the Google Drive extension, click on it to open the overview page. Before installing it, take a moment to read through the overview. This page explains what the integration does and how it works with Zoho CRM. In general, this connection allows you to link your CRM with Google Drive so you can access, organize, and manage related files more efficiently. Reading the overview first is helpful because it gives you a better understanding of the permissions involved and what to expect during setup. After reviewing the details, click Install. From here, simply follow the prompts shown on your screen. These prompts usually guide you through permission settings, account authorization, and confirmation steps needed to complete the integration successfully. Read each screen carefully before moving forward, especially when approving access between Zoho CRM and Google Drive. As you go through the process, make sure you're signing into the correct Google account if prompted. That's important if you use multiple Google Drive accounts, since choosing the right one will determine where your files are connected and stored. Once you've completed the prompts, the integration should be successfully connected. At that point, Zoho CRM and Google Drive will be able to work together, making it easier to handle documents and file-related tasks inside your CRM workflow. And that's it. That's how to integrate Zoho CRM with Google Drive quickly and smoothly.